To solve this question, let's start off by reading the question. A study of a population of 1,200 frogs revealed that 12 out of every 180 frogs in the population have spots on their back. Based on the results of this study, how many frogs in the population do not have spots on their back? Now let's find the important information. A population of 1,200 frogs revealed that 12 out of every 180 frogs have spots. We want to figure out our answer based on the results. How many frogs in the population do not have spots on their back? I want to put extra emphasis on the fact that we are looking for the ones that do not have spots on their backs. So, first let's use the information that we were given. If 12 out of 180 have spots, we can use that information to figure out how many out of the total population of 1,200 will have spots. So, I like to work with easier numbers, so I would have gone ahead and simplified this. Right off the bat, I can see that both of these would have simplified by 6. If we simplify both of these by 6, we would end up with 2 over 30, which I then see that I could simplify again, and I would simplify to 1 out of 15. Using this, I have now set up the rest of my proportion to figure out how many out of the 1,200 will have spots. When I use my cross products, I'll multiply 1 times 1,200 and end up dividing by 15. So I'm going to do this math right here. I have 1,200 divided by 15. 15 is going to go into 128 times. When we subtract that, we're left with 0, but we got to make sure we bring down that other 0. And we would be left with a solution of 80. So we can see that out of the 1,200 frogs, 80 would have spots. So if we wanted to figure out the number of frogs that would not have spots, we would want to take the 1,200 and subtract the 80 that do have spots. And when we do this math, we would end up with 1,120 frogs that do not have spots. Our answer choice would end up being D. Don't get fooled by answer choice A. Remember, we don't want to do just math and pick an answer. We want to answer the question that's being asked.